Hey, Jeff Miller here from Target Test Prep. I want to go over a few pesky little multiple answer questions. You know those on the GRE, right? Where you have to pick multiple answers amongst a multiple choice question. Now, one way which they love to test those is in the form of ratios and fractions, because in those, you don't necessarily have to solve for one single value. So we're going to practice two of those questions today to see how they can try to trick you in those multiple answer questions using fractions and ratios. Let's get going. All right, let's try one more multiple answer question, but this time with three-part ratios, something else they love to test on the GRE. Let's go through the STEM. In a fishing box with red, blue, and green marbles, the ratio of red marbles to blue marbles is 5-6. The ratio of red marbles to green marbles is 4-3, which of the following could be the number of blue marbles in the box? So let's set up our two ratios here right off the bat. We have red to blue is 5-6. We have ratio of red to green is 4-3. Now, here's the kicker. You can't have 5 red and 4 green in your ratio. Those actually have to be equal. So what do? You take the LCM of 5 and 4, or the least common multiple, which is 20. So now you apply that to both ratios. So now, if there's 20 red marbles in the first ratio, or a ratio of 20 to something, because 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 4 is 24. So the new ratio becomes 20 to 24 red to blue. Do the same thing for red to green. 4 becomes 20, 4 times 5 is 20, so 3 times 5 is 15. Now, what is our new ratio? Well, we can make a three-part ratio of red to blue to green. Red being 20, blue being 24, and then of course green being 15. Now, we want to know the possible number of blue marbles in the box. Well, what have we determined? Blue marbles is a multiple of 24. So when we increase the ratio, we can have 40 to 48 to 30. That's the next part of the ratio. If we want to increase the ratio again, instead of multiplying 20, 24, and 15 by 2, we're just multiplying those by 3. That's going to give us 60, 72, and 90. Okay, we can stop there because we see the final answer here is 90, and we're just focused on the number of blue marbles. Again, we see it's a multiple of 24. Which multiples of 24 do we see in our answers? We see C works, that is 24. D works, that's 48. So what we've done here, again, we've used three-part ratios to figure out what blue marbles have to be a multiple of, so we can figure out exactly how many blue marbles could be in the box. In this case, because of the answer choices, it's 24 and 48. Answer C and D.